Let's discuss basic Java interview questions. First question. What if I write static public void instead of public static void? In Java, the program compiles and runs correctly because the order of specifier doesn't matter in Java. So however you write, like if you write static public void, it also executes, or public static void, it also executes, because order of specifiers doesn't matter in Java. What is the default value of local variables? The local variables are not initialized, so there won't be any default value, neither primitives nor object references. What is the output of the following Java code? This is the program. Here it is 10 plus 20 plus Java t point. So these two are integers. In first case, 10 and 20 are treated as numbers, and these two will be added. So the result is 30. 30 will be concatenated with the string, and it gives 30 Java point. Therefore the output will be 30 Java t point. And in the second case, the string Java t point is concatenated with 10. So what it will become? Java t point 10. Again this entire one is concatenated with 20. So Java t point 10 20 is the result. This is the output of this code. And next program, same as above but small changes. In this, in first case, the numbers 10 20 will be multiplied, and then the result 200 is treated as string and concatenated with the string Java t point. Why? Because in the precedence of multiplication is higher than addition. So first multiplication will be performed. As it is between numbers, it is performed as 10 into 20, so it is 200, and next it is doing operation with string, so it will be concatenated 200 Java t point. And in second case, the numbers 10 20 will be multiplied first to be 200, because the precedence of multiplication is higher than addition. The result 200 will be treated as string and concatenated with the string Java t point. So it produces Java t point 200 because of precedence of multiplication. So it is somewhat different than the before code. Next one. What is the output of the following code? So here they have given in for loop, they have initialized, but declaration is not done here. So it gives an error, because for loops there should be a boolean value, means it should be a condition such that the answer should be true or false. Declaration should be a boolean value, like I less than or equal to n. So this is a condition, but here there is nothing like that. It is having just an integer value, that is 0. So according to for loop statement, this is not correct and it gives an error. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos on Java programming interview questions.